Hello, Angus here. Today we got this, the ATX or ATX squat ramp. It is a rubber squat ramp. That's what it looks like. It's got these little holes there. And other than that, it's a pretty firm. It does have a bit of movement and bend in it. It's quite heavy. It's about 5 kilos and it's a nice solid rubberized squat ramp. It does have this squat angle here, and some of the other ones I've seen, like the one from Mirafit, comes straight here and they're made out of metal, while this one's made out of rubber. This one's got a little angle here. Don't know if I'm loving this angle here, if I would prefer it to be flat, but let's play about with it and see what we like and what we don't like. When you step on it, your toe or your ball of your foot can be off. As long as your heel is at the top there, you're gonna find that quite useful for that knee flexion. Because it's solid rubber, it's good enough for like 1,000 tons. These grooves and grips, and because you've only got a rubber sole trainer on there, it's gonna be really nice. So really handy if you don't have Olympic lifting shoes and you wanna get some more knee flexion in your squats and you wanna get some more knee action. Loads of alternative uses and other uses that you can use this for. Pendulum squats, donkey calf raises, normal calf raises, seating calf raises. So overall, the rubberized material means it's nice and easy to wipe down. It's actually a really useful tool. Loads of people have ankle issues, including myself. My ankle doesn't bend beyond 90 degrees. So it's something that I should have got a long time ago. It's nice and long, which is great. So I can squat quite wide. You could also use it as a device to help you stretch your calf because it's angled. So you could use it for calf stretches. So, foot positioning here, I've got it right here, back of the heel. My toes will be kind of off of the floor. It's a really nice angle for squats. So the squat ramp you could use for push presses, push jerks, use it on trap bar deadlift. If you want more knee flexion, you could use it to simulate a sort of more clean start position in a sort of deadlift hinge position. You can use it for single leg work, double leg work, back squats, Hatfield squats, front squats. Particularly good for front squats, getting you in that upright torso position, especially if you don't have Ollie lifting shoes. Many uses for this. For the price, this, in my conclusion, is a gym essential.